Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing of the Outinput 2K window camera. You can get this product on Amazon for about $40. Check out the link in the description. The benefits of using a window camera instead of an outdoor camera is an easier setup and installation, they can't be easily destroyed or get stolen, and there's no long-term exposure to sun and rain. The window camera comes with a power adapter and a USB cable, a mounting bracket, 2 mounting stickers, 8 cable clips, a quick start guide, and a user manual. The camera is small and lightweight and has a reset button and a micro SD card slot. The camera does not have a built-in battery, so you always have to connect it to a power source. Installing the window camera is pretty easy thanks to the included mounting bracket and mounting stickers. The device works with all kinds of windows and glass, and it delivers full color images even in low light conditions. It has smart detection and sends instant notifications to your phone. So far it looks like a really nice product. If you want to know more about the Outinput 2K window camera, check out the link in the description. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos.